Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, we're going to discuss the registration section of your AEvent timeline. To start, please log in to your AEvent account. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, let's click on Timeline from the left-hand menu. Click on your timeline to open it. The initial section it will open to is the Timeline section. Click on the Registration section on the left-hand side. From the top, on the right-hand side, you'll see this Add Registration Field button. This is used to add a new field to your registration form. You have to enter the field name, for example, age, and then select the form type, either custom forms or query. Once done, click on Add at the bottom. On this option section, you can set your registration form settings. Click on Edit to the right to do so. Select your registration form setup by clicking on the drop-down. Select from either code level form or JS pop-up form. You can also select the registration form options from here. You can set it to one time. This shows only one schedule for registration, multi-option drop-down menu. This gives users a drop-down where they can select which schedule to sign up for and multi-session selection block. With this style, leads are presented with a grid to select from. This is usually implemented for recurring calls or meetings or large event-based webinar launches. You can also create a custom form by clicking on Create Your Own Custom Form. If you made any changes, don't forget to click on Update to save them. This form section will show you all custom forms you have created for this timeline and which one is currently in use. Just like the Create Your Own Custom Form button from the previous window, the Create New Form button here lets you create a custom form. When you click on Thus button, it'll open up the Form Creator page. As you see here, you can customize your own form. From the top, it gives you the option to add the form as a template. Save your changes. We currently have the Design tab open, where we can design our own forms, and the Preview feature that gives us the option to preview how our forms would look like in a desktop, a tablet, and a mobile phone. Just click on the close icon to exit out of the Form Creator page. On this field section, you'll see the default fields on your registration form and the other custom fields you've added, if you created any. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.